Rana, 님 법도 달았까?
Looks like that it's dead.
And then?
And the fungi here are turning it into soil. This tree is now turning into soil. This is a very short life cycle. The energy from the sun transferred to this tree when it was living. And now when it is dead, the bacteria / fungi are now breaking it down into the soil for nutrients.
Yeah. Ana madara kesitibdi, qurib ketibdi. Andan keyin bu daraxt chirib, ash bakteriya, fungusiyalar chirtib hozir buni to'piq aylanda qoldiribdi buni. Polishma daraxtlar ko'rdinglarmi? Bakteriyani, fungusiylarni, fungi.
Remember when we saw
qilib oxiri mana to'piq aylabdi, mana tabiat degan shu.